In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Black Ops Cold War keeps crashing on the PC. The first thing I suggest you do is you want to come down here and search for Device Manager. In here find Display Adapters, right click on your graphics card and update driver, search automatically and just take the latest update. Once you've done that, what you should do is you should download the software for your graphics card. So just Google your graphics card name and then type software after, and from in there you should have a software. Now I have the NVIDIA one, and from in here you want to head to drivers, reload and take the latest driver. Once you've done this, you should come down here and search for adjust and find adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. In here what you want to do is you want to just choose custom, and then you want to disable these ones, and you want to keep smooth edges of screen fonts, smooth scroll list, and you want to keep show thumbnails instead of icons. So let's just turn this one off, and you just want to keep these three. Press apply and OK, and after you've done that, what you can do is you can open up services. Come in here, press anywhere and press S. We want to look for something called sys main, which is right here. Double click on it, go to manual. If it's running, just press stop. Just wait for this, press apply and go OK. After you've done all of this, you want to come down here and search for power plan. Open up the power plan. In here, go back to power options. And then what you want to do is you want to choose high performance. And if you cannot see it, you want to click here, show additional plans, and it will pop up here. Once you've done all of this, I suggest you restart your PC, and then hopefully it'll work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.